Imagine you've spent days or even weeks creating your perfect AI coloring book. You upload it to Amazon KDP so you can rake in those passive dollars. After a few days, you get a couple of sales. Now you are so pumped up thinking that you are on your way to becoming the next KDP millionaire. But your celebration is cut short when you see that dreaded negative bad quality review on your book page. If only you had properly researched coloring book genres, you won't be in this position. In this video, my goal is to help you understand the different styles of coloring books and which group of people you should target. You might be thinking, isn't it just kids and adult coloring books? Well, the answer is both yes and no because there are different line art styles that fit different age groups. Make sure you watch till the end to see which style you should be using for your future books. The first line art style is Grayscale. I know you've heard a lot about Grayscale coloring books because most coloring pages created by AI have gray colors. The truth is that this type of coloring page can only be used by adults because it doesn't work with color pencils or crayons. Coloring pages with gray colors are meant to be used with markers. Since most children are going to be using crayons or color pencils for coloring, the grayscale pages won't show the color. So that is why you should never make a grayscale coloring book for kids. Because if you do, you will get a lot of negative reviews from angry parents with crying kids. The next type of coloring book style is big and simple. If you want to create coloring books for babies or toddlers, this is the style you should use. Children within the ages of 1 to 4 years old like this type of books because the large surface gives them a lot of room to play around with colors. On the other hand, adults do not like the big and simple style as it takes a long time to finish, and it can easily become boring after doing a few pages. The next style you should know about is realistic and detailed. This is another adult-only coloring book style. These extra details make it very difficult for kids to color. You should also know that this style is not usually good for books meant for beginners. It's time-consuming and requires more precision. So, it's mostly expert colorists who will enjoy such detailed line art illustrations. Kawaii is another popular coloring book style you should be aware of. This style works for all age groups, including children, teens, and adults. Even though kawaii coloring books are a genre on their own, nowadays most people think of anything cute as kawaii. You can imagine cute food, cartoon characters, or animals. So if it's cute, it's kawaii. The fifth coloring book art style to look out for is anime or manga. If you use AI tools like Midjourney Niji, this is the style you will get. But what most people do not know is that you cannot use this style for every niche. It is not a popular art style for babies, toddlers, or even older kids. If you are making an anime or manga themed coloring book, you should market it to teens or adults. Another coloring book style is 2D flat vector line art. Hands down, this is the most popular children coloring book style on Amazon. It's a cartoonish illustration that you can use for kids ages 3 to 6, 4 to 8, and even 6 to 12. The younger the ages you're targeting, the simpler you should make the illustrations. This means that you cannot use the 2D flat vector art style for adults. It's too cartoonish for most adults to enjoy coloring them. The last but not the least coloring book style you can create with AI is Chibi. I know that Chibi is another unique sub-niche, but you can use this style to create adorable kids' coloring book. The Chibi style has characters with big heads and short bodies. Most times the drawing will have stubby legs, which makes them look so cute and adorable. As you can see, all these styles have their own unique charm. If you target the right age groups with your book, your customers will immediately fall in love with your work, and they will return to buy more. Do you want to know more about how you can improve your KDP business with AI? You should follow me for more tips and tricks. Remember to please like and share this video to help more people discover how they can 10x their creativity with AI. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.